there is a screen 1. And to add a new screen, obviously, it's quite simple. Just click add screen. If you're going to do multiple screens, then I would name it something which would make you remember what screen it is. But for the purpose of this, we're just going to use this. But make sure you remember this, and it's not that long to write, I guess, because we'll need this later. Screen 2 has been created. Now, if we go back to screen 1, on the left, on the user interface, we're going to click a button. Okay, I'm going to drag the button over here. When it's here, you could obviously go to the right and you can, change the text. This won't do anything. This just only changes the text. I'm going to go to screen 2. Now, if we go to screen 2, we'll drag the button and we're going to name this back. You can go back. Oh yeah, by the way, I will teach you how to go back to the main page as well. And quickly, if you want to test this game, all you need to do, just click here, connect and AI companion, and then you'll be able to download the app, and then you'll scan the QR code. And now we have 2 buttons. We're going to go back to screen 1. And what we'll need to do here, I know my screen is a bit, not fully visible, but what we do on the right, click blocks. This is very important. Right, so what we do now, on the left, you'll see screen 1 and button 1. You click the button 1 and then you click the top button, top one, you drag it anywhere, and that's good for now. And then what you do from here, you go to control and you go down fully, and then there's this big one. It's not this one, it's the one above it. Open another screen name. And what you do, you drag it into here. This is going to make it like a very satisfying click. There we go. And what you do from here, you go on text, you scroll up fully, and you click the first one, drag it, and put it at the end. And what you do here, you need to be very careful with it. Whatever you put the other screen name, so if we look here, it's called screen 2. Any numbers, any capital letters, you need to include screen 2. With a capital letter, because you need a capital letter. If you don't do a capital letter at the start, it will just put an error message up or whatever. So yeah, now if you connect it to the app with an AI companion and you click this, it will take you to screen 2. Now, how to go back from this, the screen 1, we'll show you. Obviously, we have to go to the block section again in the screen 2 tab. We do the same thing, screen 2, button 1, the top one here, drag it anywhere, go to the very top to control, go down. See this big one here is going to be above it. So you do this, satisfying click, perfect. You go down to the text bit, you go all the way up, you pick the first one, put it here, and make sure to put all the capital letters and numbers, screen 1. So now, if you click back, it would go back to the screen 1. And if you go to screen 2, it would go to screen 2. To test out, you obviously have to connect to the AI companion app. It's easy. All you do is just download it from the Play Store or the Apple Store.